Welcome, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, Namaskar, and all my viewers. We are here again with a very powerful person out here. You can see somebody on my screen, and as you know, the whole idea of Parul M, my channel is getting these lovely, inspiring people and learn from them something. What can we learn today? Oh, I can see him with something. So let me just tell you his name. His name is, let me say, his name is Ooh, wow. Oh my God. Oh
Thank
my God. So let's welcome, ladies and gentlemen out there. I wish it was a stage and we would not have spoken anything and just listened to this amazing, magical man, Sameer Rao. Thank you so much, sir, for coming on my show.
It's an honor to be here.
Awesome. So, sir, as you know, as I was saying, that the whole idea when I started this channel of Parulem was all about dropping all our inhibitions and bringing people like you and so many others who, when they come and when people look at you at stage, they feel, oh my God, Sameer Rao, life is sorted. He would have been, a musical person from beginning, and he would have got stage on his platter and stuff like that. So I want to really use this platform to inspire and ignite the minds of so many other people. And today, as we are talking about the topic, which is very close to my heart also, which is passion and profession, and that is where I will love to listen from you. So let's know from beginning, Sameer sir, that what has been your journey and how this passion of yours has become a profession.
First of all, I would request you to just address me as Samir and not
Okay,
Sir.
fine. Okay.
Okay. And my interest in music mainly started because of my father. He loves to listen to music, all kind of music. Uh, we used to have this gramophone records in our place, and
Right.
whenever he used to be home, he used to listen to that
Mm.
repeatedly, like starting from M.S. Subbulakshmi, D.K. Pattamal, Maharajpuram Santaram,
Yeah.
and Pandit Bhimsen Joshi ji, my Guruji Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia ji, Shiv Kumar Sharma ji, and not only Indian music but also Western classical music, Beethoven, Bach, and Vivaldi, and other things.
Wow.
So that is how I started kind of appreciating listening to music.
Yeah.
And apparently, one day I just found a flute in my place and
Okay.
started playing some self-taught tunes.
Hmm.
So that's when my father noticed that this kid has some talent in playing flute.
Right.
So he took me to a music school here in Mysore.
Hmm.
So that is how the journey started.
Wow, beautiful. And how has been the journey so far? So just tell our viewers about what do you do now? And I know you are absolutely magical person. The moment you did this, I think 30 second also, we were just gone into a different world. So can we know more about you, like your years of experience in this, and what do you do?
I, I mean, I started when I was 11.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 39 now,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't do anything else apart from playing flute. I
All
don't know anything else.
and that's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. And you said a very powerful sentence that I don't know anything than playing, the flute. So I just have, because as you know, I am a coach and a counselor, and I work a lot with young adults also. When I work a lot with adults and corporates, so so many times I come across when people say, Parul, I miss that, मैं ये करता था या मैं ये करती थी. छूट गया यार, जमाने ने छुटवा दिया। तो मेरा एक आपसे एक थॉट है कि व्हाई डोंट you tell us that how a person can continue, whether they become, I mean the profession becomes that or not, but होता है हमारी जिंदगी में आजकल की we leave our passion, including
हम्म,
us, like as a woman I'm saying that once you get married you have children, and now when my life is little settled I start thinking yaar, in college days I used to love playing basketball और उसको एकदम छोड़ दिया अभी. So what do you
हम्म,
say and what is your tip on that, how we should not leave our passion?
Basically, first and foremost, I think you need to ask yourself कि आपके लाइफ में म्यूजिक क्या है या आपके लाइफ में बास्केटबॉल क्या है.
Right,
तो
right,
अगर आप उसको प्रोफेशन बनाना चाहते हैं तो देन इट्स अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम. अगर
right,
आप उसको एज अ हॉबी कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हैं तो इट्स अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम. So you
right.
need to have that clarity with you
Hmm,
with music or anything else.
hmm,
तो
hmm.
वो ऑटोमेटिकली जब वो आपका प्रोफेशन बनता है तो देन यू विल हैव टू इन्वेस्ट अ लॉट मोर ऑफ टाइम एंड
Right,
यू विल हैव टू डेडिकेट योरसेल्फ.
right, right. And I just want to add it what you are saying here, that a lot of people, you said a beautiful word out here, the way people prepare for engineering, the way people prepare for being a doctor or something else, like or whatever, IT people and all that. I think this also, if it is your passion and it's your profession, it equally amounts to same kind of effort, sangharsh, riyaz, every day being disciplined, right? राइट, क्योंकि
या
मुझे
इट
लगता
डज,
है,
इट डज.
या या प्लीज गो ऑन, या.
इसलिए कोई भी मतलब इंजीनियर बनना है तो उसके लिए पढ़ाई अलग से करनी होती है, उसके लिए
राइट,
प्रिपरेशन अलग से करना होता
राइट.
है. But if you want to be a musician, then that preparation kind of doesn't stop. It is a everyday thing. Like every day
Hmm,
you have to practice. I mean,
hmm,
maybe after a while, after being a musician, being a performing musician
hmm.
for 40, 50 years, then you don't need to do the physical practice. Half of your practice happens mentally,
Yes, yes.
virtually. But till you reach that point,
Hmm,
you need to be very strict about yourself and how you practice. And mainly, जैसे पुराने जमाने में बोला जाता था कि एक मोमबत्ती की रियाज होती थी, दो मोमबत्ती की रियाज होती थी. अभी
ओके.
तो वैसे कोई करते नहीं है.
जी.
But I mean, my suggestion is that what I do is
Hmm,
whatever little or whatever time you practice, you can
hmm,
do it with awareness. So
hmm.
that adds a lot of quality to your practice or the
Very,
time you spend with your instrument.
very nice, very nice. So I have one more question for you. Now I work a lot with people on self esteem and self worth, and I have heard so many times people in my childhood also when I was growing up and otherwise, when you are trying to be different or you are taking something which is out of the box, and it is not something which is जैसे एक लकीर होती है, आप लकीर के फकीर नहीं बन रहे हैं, आप कुछ और आप में है और आप करना चाहते हैं. So, so many times your own very close people also. I mean, some people are blessed that like you said, your father really helped you to be there. He was there for you. But so many times, very close people of yours will question you, or will doubt you. So, what is your again take on that when people doubt you? And I'm sure you've heard it from people while even if you're grown up that okay, आप और क्या करते हैं? ठीक है, आप
Yeah,
म्यूजिशियन
yeah.
है बट और क्या करते हैं, राइट, विच इज वेरी स्ट्रेंज, आई फाइंड इट
Yeah.
वेरी स्ट्रेंज. सो हाउ डू वी डील विद दैट, व्हाट इज योर मैसेज फॉर दैट?
आज से शायद 25-30 साल पहले म्यूजिक या कोई भी अल्टरनेटिव प्रोफेशन को एज अ प्रोफेशन लेना उतना मतलब एवरीवन वांटेड टू बी अ इंजीनियर, एवरीवन वांटेड टू बी अ डॉक्टर,
राइट,
एवरीवन वांटेड टू डू समथिंग व्हिच विल अर्न देयर लाइवलीहुड. मतलब
राइट,
महीने के महीने उनके बैंक अकाउंट में सैलरी आ जानी थी.
राइट,
बट नाउ व्हाट इज देयर, आप सोशल मीडिया ले लो या कॉन्सर्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज ले लो. आप
राइट.
यहाँ बैठ के आई मीन ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन आई डिड सम वर्चुअल कॉन्सर्ट्स. So I
हम्म,
was recording here from Mysore.
हम्म.
I was playing here from Mysore, and it was for some auditorium in US.
वाओ,
So
वाओ.
it was for some organization in US. So if that could be used properly,
राइट, राइट.
uh, मतलब उसका प्लस एंड माइनस दोनों भी है।
True.
हम लोग उसको जैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं उस पर डिपेंड करता है।
Very
I mean,
true.
now you can be a musician, you can be a painter, you can be a storyteller, you can be
Hmm.
a art, a painter or a sculptor or anything,
Right,
and you
right,
could you could make a you could make a living out of it.
right.
पहले a little while it was not uh, that scenario at all.
True, true, true. So I think what,
So
yeah, yeah,
सॉरी।
yeah.
तो ये जो है मौका, इसको जितना हम लोग पॉजिटिवली इस्तेमाल करें उतना अच्छा है। एंड एट
Right.
द सेम कॉन्टेक्स्ट आई आल्सो वुड लाइक टू ऐड दैट अगर ये बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है, मतलब मेरे लिए इंस्टाग्राम है या इंस्टाग्राम के लिए मैं हूँ, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस। आई मीन
Beautifully said. Yeah. Hmm.
so अगर वो उतना नहीं ज्यादा नहीं हुआ,
Hmm.
and then if you are using it for your you know पॉजिटिवली अगर उसको इस्तेमाल करें तो फिर इट कुड बी यूज्ड वेरी effectively.
Right.
That will be very helpful for you to grow as a artist.
Very nice, very nice. So, what I gather, what you're saying, that finding possibilities in whatever is happening and
Yeah,
exploring that what can you do, and seeing opportunities, but in a balanced manner, because social
exactly.
media or any media for that matter is wonderful, but if not used properly, it can take a lot from you. And
Mm,
that is a very good take, and that is where I think, even I agree that when we talk of profession and passion, or passion and profession, we must know that whether I want to take it as a profession or as a hobby, and अगर
mhm,
हॉबी है तो क्या करना है, प्रोफेशन है तो उसको कहाँ लेके जाना है, सो दैट आप एक फ्रेम में रहे। जैसे हिंदी में कहा जाता है कि दो नाव में पैर रखने से आदमी गिरेगा ही।
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Some of us are blessed, and I'm sure you feel amazingly blessed and in gratitude that you are one of them who's living your passion and your profession,
Mhm, mhm. I'm
right?
really happy, and right from the beginning when my parents let me take music as my profession, I mean,
Hmm.
it was very clear that I didn't want to do anything else.
Yes.
uh, they didn't kind of force me. I mean, I come from a family of professors and scholars. All
Oh,
my cousins are 99% of them are first cousins, second cousins. Everyone is an engineer or a doctor.
okay.
So I'm the first dropout in the family. I'm the
Okay.
only one who put foot in the family.
Superb.
So I mean, my parents kind of they trusted me, and
Hmm.
I didn't work it.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
तो अगर आप उसको लगन के साथ, जो आपका पैशन है उसको उतने लगन के साथ करते हैं,
Right.
तो इट विल डेफिनेटली बी विथ यू, इट विल डेफिनेटली टेक केयर ऑफ यू।
Right.
और मुझे मतलब मेरे गुरुजी भी मुझे ऐसे ही मिले हैं। मैं
जी.
यहाँ जहाँ जिनको सीखता था, पंडित वीरभद्र हिरेमठ जी,
जी.
एंड लेटर इन 2002 आई बिकेम a disciple of पंडित हरिप्रसाद चौरसिया जी।
Wow.
तो
Wow.
मुझे गुरु भी वैसे ही मिले कि
Hmm.
काइंड ऑफ took me under their wings.
Right.
So yeah, I just feel I've been lucky. But having said that, it's if अगर आप करना चाहो तो अब it's not a impossible thing for you
Right.
to
Right.
be a musician or
Got
to
you.
choose an alternative profession.
Hmm. So जहाँ चाह वहाँ रहा, is what
Exactly.
normally it is, right? And I want to end it by, first of all, thank you so much, Samir sir, for coming. Not Samir sir, Samir Rao ji, for coming. And we will surely end it with your one more little music from you, a little bit of music to the ear. Before that, I just want to end it by saying I have heard from Shah Rukh Khan, but yeah, it must be an old saying that किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश करती है. So what message
Mm,
you are giving is that if you really want your passion to be your profession, you got to work towards it. You got to really work hard and be very focused that if I want this, I'm going to be an expert into this. And what I see from you, you got the right teachers, you got into right education in that area, and you are enjoying your life, and you're not in the rat race so called because you don't want to be. It's okay, those who are into it, that's fine, and they're enjoying it. but you chose your path, और आपने वो सोच लिया कि मुझे अगर ये करना है, तो आप उसी में बढ़ते चले गए, सही गुरु आपको मिलते चले गए, और आप, because I'm sure you also had something, you kept getting their blessings, and you are where you are. So thank you so much for coming on Parul M channel. I want all of my viewers to please like, subscribe and share, because this is all about our passion also. He's here today to share that yes, your passion can be your profession, but take it seriously, and if you take it seriously, nothing can stop you from doing that. So thank you so much, but I will not let you go without listening to amazing magical tune of yours.
Thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure. Thank you.
Whoa, shukriya. Thank you so much. And see you again very soon. And thank you so much for sharing and encouraging all the people who are watching that जिंदगी उसी का नाम है जो जी जाती है, otherwise तो सभी जी रहे हैं in any case, right? Thank you so much and take care. All the best to you.